Hi, it's Erich Gail with the Cardinale-Group. Come join us at Digital Dealer 26th, April 9th through the 11th in Orlando, Florida. This year we're going to lead a super session, a two-part super session that's going to focus on overcoming the greatest challenges we face in 2019 within our sales and our service operations. We're going to follow a very unique format known as IDS, wherein we will collectively identify, discuss, and then solve our principal challenges. Segment number 1 on Wednesday, April the 10th, beginning at 9 a.m., is going to focus on our sales opportunities. Followed immediately thereafter, beginning at 10:05 a.m., we're going to focus on our service opportunities. Collectively, we will integrate these discussions to be able to empower each of you as leaders to be able to transform your organizations and provide immediate actionable results within 2019. We look forward to seeing you in Orlando, Florida at Digital Dealer 26th, April 9th through the 11th. Thank you very much.